essential oils to balance body, mind, and female emotions. Discover how to transform your daily life. Have you ever felt emotionally overwhelmed, mentally exhausted, and physically drained all at once? That mix of sensations that many women experience daily is not a sign of weakness. It's a reflection of an imbalanced body. The good news, nature holds powerful answers, and among them are essential oils. In today's video, you'll discover how these small bottles can have a huge impact on your life. Get ready to explore the oils that will help you balance hormones, calm your mind, relieve physical pain, and restore your feminine energy. And the best part, it's all 100% natural. Essential oils are not just nice scents or trends in aromatherapy. They are highly concentrated compounds extracted from plants, flowers, bark, and roots. Each drop carries active components with real and profound therapeutic properties. When used correctly, they act directly on the limbic system, the part of the brain responsible for emotions, and also interact with the physical body, helping to relieve symptoms, balance hormones, and even boost immunity. That's why, for women, essential oils are powerful allies in facing the cyclical phases, daily stress, and emotional challenges of modern life. Let's begin with one of the most powerful and well-known, lavender essential oil. If you're looking for relaxation, emotional balance, and better sleep, lavender will be your best friend. It has calming, anti-anxiety, and even pain-relieving properties. Just add 2 drops to your pillow or use it in a diffuser before bed, and you'll already feel your body slowing down. But lavender goes beyond that. In moments of PMS anxiety, insomnia, or irritability, it helps stabilize mood and provides a feeling of comfort as if you were being embraced by nature. It's the oil of self. Another essential oil that should not be missing in any woman's routine is geranium, known as the hormone-balancing oil. It acts directly on the ovaries and endocrine glands. Geranium helps regulate menstrual cycles, ease PMS symptoms, relieve cramps, and even support menopause transitions. It has a strong floral aroma that awakens femininity and provides a sense of inner strength. Using geranium in massages on the lower abdomen, diluted in a carrier oil, is a powerful way to reconnect body and emotions. It reminds us of the strength in being. If you're going through anxiety, emotional tension, or mental imbalance, sweet orange essential oil might be just what you need. It's known as the oil of joy. Its citrus and light scent acts directly on your mood, bringing lightness, enthusiasm, and a sense of optimism. It's excellent for women who deal with stressful routines or who need a moment to breathe. Add a few drops to a diffuser during work or before an important meeting and feel the difference. Sweet orange oil is like a beam of sunshine for your brain. Another favorite among women is clary sage essential oil. It is incredibly effective at relieving hormonal symptoms like cramps, mood swings, and premenstrual tension, but its power goes beyond the physical. Clary sage is known as the oil of feminine intuition. It helps you tune into your inner voice, reconnect with your inner truth, and trust yourself more. It's excellent for meditations, introspection, and self. Women who live under constant pressure and self-judgment find in clary sage a powerful ally to reclaim emotional balance. And if you feel your energy is low, that you lack vitality or motivation, Peppermint essential oil can be a game changer. It's invigorating, stimulates mental focus, and combats physical fatigue. Ideal for those days when your body can keep up with your mind, or vice versa. Peppermint also helps with muscle pain, nausea, headaches, and even digestive discomfort. A bath with a few drops of this oil or a deep inhalation is enough to renew your energy. It is the perfect choice for women who need a boost to start the day with more drive. Now let's talk about something few people mention: the emotional impact of aromas on self-esteem. How we feel about ourselves is deeply tied to our emotional and energetic state. Rose essential oil is one of the most powerful when it comes to its delicate yet intense aroma helps dissolve feelings of rejection, abandonment, and insecurity. It connects us to the heart and awakens compassion for ourselves. First and foremost, it's a noble oil, often expensive, but extremely valuable in emotional transitions or when we feel disconnected from our essence. So how can you use all these oils daily without complication? There are several safe and practical ways. One of the most common is inhalation. You can place 1 to 2 drops in your hands, rub and inhale deeply. You can also use electric or ceramic diffusers for room diffusion. For topical use, it's important to dilute the oils in a carrier oil like coconut or grapeseed oil, especially for abdominal massages, temples, or the soles of your feet. Some oils can also be used in baths, compresses, or even in sprays to scent your pillow or linens. The key is to respect dosages and never apply undiluted oil directly to the skin. But be careful. Even though they are natural, essential oils are extremely potent and must be used responsibly. Pregnant women, breastfeeding mothers, or those with hormonal conditions should always consult an aromatherapist or health professional before using any oil. Also, never ingest essential oils without proper guidance. Oral use should only happen under prescription. When used consciously, oils are powerful allies, but like all therapeutic tools, they demand respect and knowledge. Now, you might be wondering, do I need to buy all these oils to start? The answer is no. Start with 2 or 3 that best connect with your current needs. If your focus is anxiety and sleep, lavender and sweet orange are a great start. If your challenge is PMS or menopause, try geranium and clary sage. Aromatherapy is a journey, not a race. Every step you take already brings results. And above all, remember, taking care of yourself is not selfish. It's essential. The world demands so much from the modern woman that we often forget to listen to our body, honor our cycles, and embrace our emotions. Essential oils remind us that self-care can and should be a ritual of reconnection with our essence. They are silent invitations to slow down, breathe, and feel. And in this process, we return home to ourselves. If this video inspired you, share it with another woman who also needs this dose of balance. Like, leave a comment below telling us which essential oil you use or are curious to try. And subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any content on wellness, feminine health, and a more meaningful life. Because you deserve a lighter, more connected life, and deeply your own. Essential oils to balance body, mind, and female emotions, natural wellness after 40. Are you feeling emotionally overwhelmed, mentally stressed, or physically drained? Discover the power of essential oils to restore balance in your body, mind, and emotions. Especially for women navigating the changes of life after 40.